Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Lotto AI app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that helps you analyze patterns in Lotto so you can make an informed guess or an educated guess as to the next number you're going to pick. So for example, if you don't know what Lotto is, it is basically a game where you can just pick a series of numbers, and if you get the correct numbers, you will win a cash prize. So before you get into the details of this, since a lot of you guys have been sending me a lot of messages and I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, guys, we have it here in Google Play Store. So there's actually no reviews here. I don't know why. However, I would advise you to not waste your time trying this app since it is very much a scam. Why? Because Lotto is very random, it's completely random, and no matter how you analyze it, guys, it is all just based on chance. There is no pattern. If it's something that can be assessed with patterns, or if this actually works, this would have been banned already, or this would have been very famous already. However, it's not. It only has 10k downloads. And right here on Malware Tips, the Lotto Cash AI is a scam. Here's the truth behind the fake lottery system. Now let's read the reviews here on Malware Tips. So as you can see, they also go over how the scam works. So step 1 is the hook. Scammers begin by flooding social media with attractive ads. These include sensational headlines like AI cracks lottery code, fake news, deep fake endorsements, and claims of limited time offers. So step 2 would be the landing page, urgency tactic, the scale, the empty product, and the follow-up scam, and a lot more. So please, guys, do not download this app in the hopes of actually winning the lottery or winning Lotto. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.